Hello, this is Copernical, and I'm going to show you how to take apart and switch the modes on Master Diabolos. This is Master Diabolos. So, first, you twist it, and the bottom should come off. Then you look at the bottom of this, and you switch these switches. And now you should be able to move the front part, and it should come off. It's a bit hard. Alright, should come off with this little metal disc. Now, this was the layer that it came off of. Now flip it, and now put the metal disc on here, and, other way, the metal disc here, and now put the front on. Now flip back over and switch the switches again. Now you just attach the bottom into the slots and twist it the other direction. And it's now left spin mode. So that's good. You're all set. Thank you for watching Copernical. Like and subscribe.